Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Slack to ClickUp with workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer tasks from Slack to ClickUp using workflows, start by opening your Slack workspace. Locate the channel or direct message where the task is discussed. Identify the specific message or thread containing the task you want to transfer. Copy the relevant details from the message. Next, log into your ClickUp account. Select the workspace where you want to create the task. Navigate to the specific project or list where the task should be added. Click on the plus button to create a new task. In the task creation window, paste the details you copied from Slack. Specify the task title, description, due date, and any other important information. Assign the task to the appropriate team member. Set the priority level as needed to reflect its urgency. Save the task to complete the transfer. To automate this process in the future, access ClickUp's automation features. Choose Automate from the ClickUp sidebar. Select the trigger that will initiate the workflow when a message is sent in Slack. Connect your Slack account to ClickUp if you haven't already done so. Customize the automation settings to suit your needs. This may include filtering messages by keywords or specific channels. Specify the actions for the automation, such as creating a new task with details from Slack. Test the automation to ensure it works as intended. Once confirmed, finalize and activate the workflow. Now, your tasks can seamlessly transition from Slack to ClickUp with minimal effort. Regularly review and refine your workflows to maximize efficiency. This integration will streamline your task management and improve productivity across your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.